How do toxic chemicals get into perfumes since it's just a blend of fragrance oil and alcohol? The fragrance oil in perfume is a combination of natural and synthetic oils, and each of them has a chemical property. And a perfume can contain up to 10 different types of fragrance oil and even more. Some of these chemicals in fragrance oil has limitation in which we human can be exposed to. Ideally, these substances are not toxic, but when exposed to excessively, then allergy can start happening. A very good example is citrus. The chemical compound in the peel of citrus that carries that fresh smell is called limonene. It occurs naturally and can be produced synthetically in the lab as well. Now, if you are peeling tangerine and the liquid from the peel spritz over your face, the allergy sign you will get is sneezing. This implies that there is a limitation on the quantity of limonene you should be exposed to. Imagine a bottle filled with the liquid from tangerine being spritzed over your face every day without putting in consideration the limited amount of limonene you should be exposed to. The allergy sign can build up to form an ailment, hence it will be classified as being toxic. Some naturally occurring substances are concentrated that it has to be diluted before using. Apart from these, some of these synthetic fragrance are produced from toxic chemicals. Frequent exposure to them is very dangerous to humans' health, hence they are classified as being toxic, even though the IFRA stated the limited quantity to be used in products, yet some companies still don't follow the regulations. Numerous studies have found that some of these ingredients can induce mild allergic reactions like headache, dizziness, itchiness, sneezing, runny nose, and can contribute to worse issues like hormonal imbalances. This is not the scary part. Now, let's talk about the second ingredient in perfume, which is alcohol. Alcohol used in making perfume is denatured alcohol. After denaturing the alcohol, it is being treated to give it a desirable result when blending. Hence, some chemicals are added to achieve this result. The Environmental Protection Agency studied some of these chemicals, and it was revealed that they can evoke numerous health issues like nervous system damage, kidney damage, respiratory failure, and even cancer to the consumers. So, what are these toxic chemicals in perfume?